I'm adding 1 cup.
What you doing, Mr. Peaches?
Of room temperature butter. Just so you know, room temperature means that I can press with a little bit of pressure, and the butter will heal. It will also.
What you doing, LibbyLoo? What you doing, LibbyLoo? Whee, up you go. You get ready to shoot cake? Oh, yeah.
Pero ya sé que no voy a olvidar tu perfume.
What you doing, Peaches?
Cuando la noche me venga a buscar, que me lleves con tu viento. Y si la noche me viene a buscar, que me lleves con
What
tu
you doing, sweetie?
viento.
You coming to Mummy? Come on then. Step up. What you doing?
Vengo a tu lado en mi vida pasar. Ya lo creo, ya lo creo. Y si mañana nos toca no estar, miro al cielo y te veo. Pero ya sé que no voy a olvidar tu perfume de febrero. Cuando la noche me venga a buscar, que me lleve con tu viento. Y si la noche me viene a buscar, que me lleve con tu viento. Y parte de todo es saber olvidar, no recuerdo, yo no puedo. Pienso en tu rostro y no puedo evitar ver mi sueño, ver mi cielo. Pero ya sé que no voy a olvidar tu perfume de febrero. Y cuando la noche me venga a buscar, que me
Peaches, you
lleve
look so comfy.
con tu viento.
Really comfy, Peaches.
Y si la noche me viene a buscar, que me lleve con tu viento. Y si la noche te viene a buscar, que te lleve con mi viento. Y si la noche me viene a buscar, que me lleve.
I put that one underneath the cushion because it's the dog. It's got hairs on it.
Viene a
Yeah.
buscar, que me lleve con tu viento.
Yes, Caiques absolutely adore surfing, rubbing themselves, snuggling up to towels. Their favourite thing really is terry toweling. Yes. This is Peaches. He loves every minute of it. And this is LibbyLoo. What you doing, Libby? Yeah. What are you doing? I didn't want you surfing on that one because that's the dog's towel. Yeah. She's been lying on there. The dog has been lying on there. And I don't want you to get full of dog hairs. No. That's why I put the cushion on it. That's it. Just ignore me then. Just ignore me. You alright, Peaches? Want to come to Mummy? Come on then. Step up. That's a good boy. Peaches is such a sweet boy, you know. He's my sweet boy. Yes. Aren't you? Yes, he knows he is. He's nodding. Yes, Mummy, I'm your good boy. Yeah. coming up the ladder. Peaches. Peaches. LibbyLoo's coming up the ladder. Where is she? There she is. Their favourite toy is the ladder. Yes. Their favourite thing to do is to surf, and their favourite toy is to do acrobatics on the ladder, which I can't do when I've got the phone in my hand. You the top of the ladder, LibbyLoo? Are you? Clever girl. LibbyLoo and Peaches. Oh, it's time for bed now. Yeah. It's time for bed. We're going to bed in a minute. Say good night. Say night, night, sleep tight. It's time for bed now. Night, night, sleep tight. It's time to go to bed. You're going to bed now. Oh, it's going dark. It's getting late, isn't it? It is. You're going to bed. Here now. Peekaboo. You going to bed? Anybody want to go to bed? Anybody? Time to go to bed. Night night everybody. Good night. Sleep tight. Don't let the bed bugs bite. No, the bed. Don't let the beds bite either. No. It's time for bed. You going to bed? Yes. Say yes. Bedtime. Bedtime. There you go. You going to bed? You going to bed now?